Everybody, I know it's been a while. I've had Kevin here and I had JB here. Been working on the Phoenix 7 for a week. It's been under the knife. I have a lot of parts that we've been trying to put on, and I haven't seen the car in a little bit. So he's been working on it. He's supposed to bring it sometime soon, and I'm hoping that he brings it now. But oh my god, it's gorgeous. I can't. Oh man, it is. Oh, you thought the red was nice. You're gonna pretty much mess your pants after seeing this one.
Who's that? Hey, Ate! Guess what happened? What's this box in here? I'm not sure. Yeah, let's go outside. Let's go inside and open it. Okay. I wonder what it is. Let's open it. What? Bubble? What's in it? What?
Hey, what are you guys doing? What are you guys opening my stuff? What it is, Alex, for the Phoenix 7, and just like I thought, these are the car shop glow rear tail lights. This is a friend. Give it to me and everything. One car shop glow tail light, the front lenses, and just like I thought, car shop glow front lenses. This is some of the stuff. Hopefully get the rest of the stuff here soon. Cool, huh? This will go in the front of the car when we put the manual tech bumper on. And then got it on too. And the controller. So it looks like we got all these parts for the Phoenix 7 again. The tail lights that are LED and the fronts that are LED. So it's gonna actually be really cool, right? Right, Alex?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get ready to put these on too with all the other stuff you said yesterday.
Special delivery! Oh, cool! Ooh. Look, it's from JJ Carbon Inspirations. Let's look what's inside. Carbon fiber bending darts for the RX7. Need a carbon fiber to feel the map.
Hey everybody! Alright, we're back. And everybody's been asking me that I keep getting all this, well not me, Alex keeps getting all this stuff for the Phoenix 7. And why isn't any of that stuff going on? Well, there's a big reason why I didn't do that, or he didn't install everything. Just little pieces of it that were easy to take off and look cool for a bit, but then we have to take it off again. But the real reason why we didn't put everything on was because we're gonna go into another phase, and the man that's gonna do this is Kevin. And he's the reason why.
What's up, everybody? I'm Kevin from OmniumAutoStyling, and I'm gonna be in charge of vinyl wrapping this beauty right here. So
that's what we're gonna be doing. So everybody wondered why we didn't want to put anything on the car and everything, because the body's gonna change, and I didn't want to put everything on and take everything off again. And so what Kevin's doing is he's gonna totally prep the car, and like I said, even when I did my rims and everything like that, when you're doing something like this, Kevin is the master and the pro at this. He has to prep the car, and prepping is pretty much a big thing, right?
yeah, so with vinyl wrapping, prepping is usually the most important thing because that's how you're gonna get your result to look like a paint job in the end. You gotta make sure that everything is off the car, that all the contaminations and everything off like that is off of the car, and as much hardware that can be taken off is already off. So we've already done that now. The car for the most part is in a really good state, and we're getting really close to laying some vinyl here.
All right, so let's get to work, Kevin.
Let's do it.
I know that it's gonna be a headache. Dude, where did you guys just come from?
Back from Ontario.
You told me that you were just gonna go down to San Diego.
And they're like, oh, we don't have it in stock, so we can ship it out.
So that's like a...
We're done. I don't know what else to say. I mean, just looking at it, this thing is beautiful. Like, I can really say I take a lot of pride in my work, and I did everything I could to make this as perfect and as flawless as I possibly could. And when you kind of just see it all come together, all the parts are on there. It's really satisfying. I think this part is definitely putting you first than I guess. So, it's amazing. I can't wait for you. It's so good.
But it's that ass. Like, oh my god. It's gorgeous. I can't. Oh yeah. Oh, you thought the red was nice. You're gonna pretty much test your hands on this. Look at that thing. Kevin put the car under the knife, and JB was working on it too at the same time. It's about a week. He just brought it in just now. This is not the same car. This is definitely not the same car that we had the other week. He did an amazing job. I mean, like, if you look at it, we have the canards on. So this is new. Lake Sport canards are new. We put the air filter in the front so you can get more coolant in. We put the Phoenix badge in there. Redid the hood. Put the latch locks, the Aerocats latch locks, because they really needed it. REA big fender ducts, those are in. Like we pointed out before, oh man, I don't know what to say. This is not the same car. If you look at this thing, it's so ridiculous. The Vortex generators are on. The REA diffusers are on. The exhaust is still correct size. Shut up now. It's not the same car. It's changing colors right before my eyes. Every time we keep moving and everything like that, it goes from red to purple to gold to blue. And the reason why we went with I asked him to make something that's like red and blue, right, Kevin? Yeah. And we wanted to give a homage to the old blue 7. And he thought of this color. He showed me some other colors, but he showed me this color, and I said, oh my God, and it isn't. I mean, wow. I don't know. Kevin, what did you do? How'd you put this all together?
So this was definitely a project. It was a challenge, and this is not an entry-level part, not by any means. So one thing I want to show over here really quickly is, since this whole piece right here is one unit body, it's kind of difficult just because of the film limitations. So you can see that there is no seam anywhere across here. You know, that was the big thing. We wanted to make sure that the seam that did have to be made, it was completely hidden. So I mean, right now it's technically there, but it's just one of those things where it's we really did every little thing we could. We pushed the limits of the vinyl. We did as much as possible in one piece. It was all done in one piece. As much as we could, the little side end, the vents and the louvers and everything like that. The front bumper right here was definitely a challenge. License plate bracket type of thing built into it. So being able to wrap all of this in one piece was definitely a challenge. So we got that done. We did the inlets we had to it here, and in the end it all just comes together as one full, complete looking color, you know. So this car was definitely a challenge, but it does look good, and I think John likes it, you know. Did everything we could for it, and you know, it was just an honor to be part of this project, you know. This thing, when we saw it back in January with Grandmasters, you know, you really nice to bring it to life, you know, with some of the longer, you know. So definitely an honor to be part of this project, and John, thank you so much for doing that.
Oh, dude.
You know, really appreciate it.
Man, what opportunity, dude. It's an honor for you to even touch this and make it look like this. This actually looks like my car now. This is like, I'm not driving also someone else's red car, what it was before. I've had this Slim for about 6 years. It actually looks like my car now. It feels more me. It feels more Phoenix 7. So this is exactly what I was looking for, because it goes from blue to red, and it puts them both together. Homage to the blue, and I just don't know what to say. This is gonna break some necks. It's definitely gonna break some necks. I don't know who can stop looking at this. I can't wait to take this thing out. It feels like I just took this to a monster garage or something like that, or you know, West Coast. It feels like your exhibit. You just came in and just brought something that, hey, just throw a fish tank in it, but hey, it's fun. Dude, it's so cool. Car. Dude, it's amazing. It's amazing. Awesome. Now we got it. thanks everybody for watching the video. I mean, it was a long one. This was probably one of the ones that just took me a while to build up because we just had to make some time to do it so we can show everything that's been going on with the Phoenix 7. As you can tell, it's been a couple months that went by and it's been going through some big changes already to make it more of something I really want. And what you guys, you know, from the feedback I've been getting from everybody, you know, it's coming together. I want to thank you guys for doing all this stuff with me and, you know, being there with me and following me, you know, to see the whole adventure of what's going on with the Phoenix 7. As you can tell, you know, there's more stuff coming up. I mean, I do have more things to install. I just haven't had time to do it. And, you know, I'm hoping Alex can actually do it, but, you know, he just needs some help doing it. He's only got some little small hands to do it, so. So if you enjoy it, please just give me a follow on Instagram or, you know, subscribe if you like. But I hope you go with the adventures with me. The car's going to go into some shows. And I hope to see you guys there. I really like to talk to you guys. If you see me around and everything, say hi. Dude, you can tell I'm a pretty cool, chill guy, you know, that likes to talk to people and make a lot of jokes. So, you know, hope to see you guys around. Thank you for following me. And you guys take care. And it's going to be an exciting year. Thanks.